In this video, we are going to solve the problems of the chapter areas related to circles included in the syllabus of class 10. So, what are the formula we should know to solve the problems in this chapter? At first, if a circle is given with radius r, then what is the circumference of that circle? We know 2 pi r unit. Now, you see, if this arc APB forms an angle theta at the center of that circle, then what is the length of this arc APB? You see, for this total angle, for this total 360 degree, the arc length is 2 pi r. That is the circumference of the circle. So, for the angle theta, the arc length will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r unit. Then what is the perimeter of this closed field, that is OAPBO? What is the perimeter of this field? You see, OA plus OB plus this arc APB, that is r plus theta by 360 into 2 pi r, that will be 2r plus theta by 360 into 2 pi r unit. Okay. Now come to the area. What we know? What is the area of a circle? That is pi r square unit square. Okay. Now again, what will be the area of this sector having the angle theta at the center? It will be, you see, again the same logic. For this total 360 degree angle, the area, that is the portion of the field enclosed by this circle, that is pi r square. So the area of the field enclosed by this angle theta, it will be theta by 360 pi r square unit square. Now area of this minor segment. What is the minor segment? If we join this AB, you see, then this part is the minor segment and this upper part is the major segment. You see, the part cross sign is given, this field is the minor segment. We are going to find the area of this part. To get the area of this part, what we should do? Area of this part means area of this sector OAB minus area of this triangle OAB. Okay. We know the area of this sector is theta by 360 pi r square. Now to get the area of this triangle, we should draw the perpendicular from the center O to AB. Let this is OM. So it bisects the angle at the center. So this angle will be theta by 2 and this angle M is 90 degree. Then using trigonometry, what can we say? OM is equal to r cos theta by 2 and this BM is equal to r sin theta by 2 and AB is double of BM, that is 2r sin theta by 2. Okay. Then area of this triangle, half into base into height, that is half into AB into OM. The length of AB is 2r sin theta by 2 and OM is r cos theta by 2, putting here. Okay. That is half r square 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. You should know it is a formula. Later you in class 11 trigonometry part, you will know 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, that is sin theta. Okay. So ultimately the area of the minor segment is theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sin theta unit square. And area of the, what will be the area of the major segment? From this area of the total circle, that is pi r square, if we subtract the area of this minor segment, we can get the area of this major segment. Similarly, this major sector, to get the area of the major sector, we have to subtract this area, that is area of the minor sector, from the total area of the circle to get the area of the major sector. A problem is given. Find the area of the shaded region where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as center. So O is the center of this circular region, OAB is the equilateral triangle, so this angle O equal to 60 degree. Then what is this remaining angle? That is angle at this sector 300 degree, as the total angle is 360 degree. So what will be the area of this shaded portion? That is area of this triangle plus area of this sector. Okay, let these points are P, Q and R, which are not given. So let these points are P, Q, R. So area of this shaded region, that is equal to area of triangle OAB plus area of sector PQR. Now what is the area of an equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 square. The side length is given 12 centimeter. So root 3 by 4 into 12 square plus angle at the sector, it is 300 degree. So 300 by 360 into pi r square. The radius is given 6 centimeter. Okay. By calculating, we got 36 root 3 plus 660 by 7 centimeter square.